In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to log in to Patreon. If you're trying to access your Patreon account quickly and smoothly, this process is very simple. Patreon is a platform where you can support creators, manage memberships, and view exclusive content. So logging in correctly is the first step to getting where you need to go. To begin, open your web browser and go to Patreon. Make sure you're on the official Patreon website so you can log in securely and avoid any confusion with unofficial pages. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to let everything appear fully, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. When you're on the Patreon homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login option there. Click on Login to move to the sign in page. This will open the available login methods and let you choose the one connected to your account. On the login page, click Continue with Google. This option is useful if your Patreon account is linked to your Google account because it allows you to sign in without manually entering a separate email address and password for Patreon. After clicking it, a Google sign in window or account selection screen will appear. From there, select the Google account you want to use. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, you may just need to click the correct account from the list. If you're not signed in yet, Google may ask you to complete the sign-in process before continuing. Just follow the prompts on the screen until the login is complete. Once you choose the correct Google account, Patreon should automatically sign you in and take you to your account. From there, you can access your memberships, creator dashboard, messages, or any other Patreon features available to you. A helpful tip is to make sure you select the same Google account you originally used when creating your Patreon account. If you choose a different one, you may end up in the wrong account or be prompted to sign up instead of logging in. If that happens, simply go back and try again with the correct account. And that's it. That's how to log in to Patreon using Google. It only takes a moment once you know where to click, and it's one of the fastest ways to access your account safely and conveniently.